Now, tell us about, if you were going to do a nature show, what would you say to the camera when you did your nature show?
Woolly mammoth.
You'd say, hey kids, let's learn about woolly mammoths.
And they can say, when I can learn about woolly mammoths, I can learn about monsters.
Oh, you think the kids aren't interested in woolly mammoths?
And they're not going to be interested in nothing that I like. They're going to be interested in monsters, so they're going to... I can do a movie about bad monsters.
Oh, that's boring.
And then I can say, no, kids. I don't think you're going to like it because it's going to be scary.
That's right.
You're going to say, maybe it's not going to be scary. But maybe it is. Maybe we should try woolly mammoth. Okay. Maybe we could say that.
That sounds really good. Yeah.
Some people don't like animals and are not nice and have pets, but they give their pets away.
That's right.
C'est pas gentil, ça.
Because they don't like animals.
That's right. What would you tell them?
That we can't take pets away.
That's right.
Because then the policeman will not be happy at that person.
C'est vrai.
I hear an animal outside of our window. What is that?
It's the blue jay.
Tell us all about the blue jay.
No.
We like to hear about the blue jay.
No, he's mean.
Do we like him?
No.
Yes, we do.
No, he's mean.
I love the blue jay.
No, he eats all the food from the other.
He needs to eat.
Yeah, but I don't like when he eats the other food.
He's a big, big birdie.
They're gopher snakes. I found them just in the grass, and at first I thought it was a log, but it's actually a big gopher snake.
How do you know it's not dangerous?
Because it has that round eye. Whoa, what is it? It's a gopher snake.
Where'd you find it?